So I've been married to Lou for 18 years.
O, dahil mo kasi, kasado sila ni Ate Lo for 18 ka tuig.
If before I got married to Lou, all I did was just read information about her and I wouldn't spend time with her, I would know some things about her, but I wouldn't know her.
Kung si Pastor Alid lang is, iya lang pagka gusto lang niya mailan sa Ate Lo, pero wala niya kanang tinuod niya mailan sa Ate Lo.
Even if I'd gone through and read her journals and her diaries, I would know something of what she's done and what she likes, but I wouldn't have actually experienced that with her.
Bisa pagpasama pa ni Pastor Alid ng mga journal o mga pasulat na ito siyang notebook is, kung dili niya mag-uban siya katilo is gamay lang niya may balang natin.
What the last 18 years has given me is experiences and stories and memories and life together.
Ang sa resulto na katoy nga pag-uban is ang yang na tupat na tunay sa pag-uban o mga storya na ilang nagiyan.
I know what her voice sounds like. I know what her laugh is like, not because I've read about it, but because I've heard it and I've experienced it.